To my lord. Obliged, madam. May it please your lordship. I am praying for listing of one motion matter tomorrow, your lordship. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow for what?
Motion matter, new matters.
Motion, everybody has to go to the registry. I'm sorry to say.
My lord, it is
May-
below 7.
Because no, that is there's a catch here. This registry will distribute the cases. That is why they have requested me that the motion has to be sent to them. They'll distribute the cases because bail and motion has been distributed amongst the court. If I allow you to mention here, then the problem will be that motion will come here and they'll be unable to distribute it properly, evenly. That is the reason.
The urgency is there.
There is a request from the registry.
We'll approach registry.
Yes,
my lord.
yes.
If it is
Kindly.
some
Any
difficult,
motion,
my lord,
motion.
if some difficulty is there, my lord, I may be allowed to mention at 2. If some difficulty.
All right.
Deeply.
My lord, item 18 of today's, item 23 of today's list, my lord. We have filed an objection, written objection in the bail. What may allow us to call it, to tag it with the records?
May please, sir. I beg to mention item number 45. CD was called for but not received.
45.
45.
You do not have the CD? CD? CD has called for is not received. We should remind her list the matter on.
So after vacation.
Huh? After vacation, of course, after vacation. Cannot call before vacation.
No.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 50, my lord.
Mm.
It's a joint prayer from both sides, my lord. Can it be after vacation, my lord?
Of course.
Please for the
Why
respondent,
not?
my lord.
Respondent 1 kilo.
Why not? As agreed by the learned counsel for both the sides, from both the sides, both
Yes, ma'am.
sides.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
List the matter on.
Obliged, ma'am.
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a IA in criminal appeal, my lord, immediately after vacation.
You'll have to mention, you have to hurry.
I'll-
PJ Secretary, Justice PJ Secretary.
May I please, my lord?
Mm.
Therefore, listing, my lord, that filing number so and so, my lord, earlier seen, there may be, this honorable court may decide it, my lord. Tomorrow maybe.
What about what?
Earlier bill payer is allowed, my lord, so another accused persons, my lord, same affair, my lord.
Mention,
Yes, mention.
mention please before the registry.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 39 of today's daily list. I think your lordship, a case diary was called for that has not been received, your lordship.
C 39?
39, your
Yes,
lord.
call for is not received. We should remind the list the matter on.
There is no interim, your lordship. And with injury report, your lordship.
Oh, along with injury report. लिखी दीजिए.
Deeply obliged.
Lovely. First, I beg to mention one item for listing. 3 items, lordship. Fixed for tomorrow. 2 has come in the, because this at code 21, lordship. 1 is left out, lordship. Code 20.
You'll have to pick up before the registry. For 21, no?
I have approached 21, lordship. Since lordship is leading the senior bench, lordship.
Okay. So what do you want?
Lordship, on 21, let this matter come along with the other 2 items. That is item number 28 and 29.
28 and 29.
29. From the same
Registry to list this matter along with
item number 28 and 29. Tomorrow.
no. You'll have to mention before the registry.
It may come in separately, lordship, in the supplementary cost.
You'll have to mention before the registry. There will be a lot of confusion otherwise.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, lordship. I want to withdraw this petition, lordship. Item number 2, lordship. I want to withdraw, lordship.
Withdraw. Learned counsel, Mr.
J.I. Mandal.
J. Mondal has prayed for withdrawal of the petition. Hard learned counsel, learned additional PP, Miss N. Das, petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged, lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 37.
Hmm.
Please, CD is not there, my lord. Interim is there, my lord.
Do you have the CD? CD has called for is not received. We should remind the list the matter on 19 May in
Interim is
interim order shall remain in force till then.
obliged.
Item number 24 and 25, lordship.
37. Just a moment. Hard learned counsel Kati Jagodu. Hard learned counsel Mr. J. Ali
Yes, madam.
for the petitioner. and learner additional PP Miss N does for the respondent state. Full stop, the learner additional PP has submitted the charge has been laid against the petitioner being CS number. The petitioner is directed to approach the jurisdictional court stroke Eleka magistrate within 20 days and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law. Till then, no coercive steps to be taken.
The interim is there, madam.
Yes, yes. So no coercive stay to be taken, no? Or do the charge lead?
Another one is 38 of the 25.
No coercive steps to be taken within 20 days.
Item 43 also helps, the case that is perhaps not received.
Serious call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on.
Interim is there. Also, can it be in the last week of May? I'll be away for some time.
Yes. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Item number 24 and 25, Lordship, is there not received?
Serious call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on.
In item number 25, interim is there, Lordship.
24 to short date DDR.
22nd, item 24.
Same case, there, my lord, same date.
DDU for him.
22nd.
Interim order shall remain in force 25 protocol technically. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
May I please, just a victim mention for listening of every document.
Mention every mention before the registry.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 49.
Yes,
The matter kindly pass over for the day, ma'am.
40 day. Learned Counsel, Mr.
A. Islam.
A. Islam has prayed for adjournment. CD Hard Miss N Das, Learned Additional PP Assam. The CD is received. Send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD. Full stop would deal with it. Stop, full stop, sentence block, list the matter on 28 April. Are you on interim bail?
No.
28 April.
Okay.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention one IA criminal for listing. Lordship, the IA was very simple, just to rectify the name and address of the applicant. If possible by tomorrow.
Bail? BA? IA relating to what? BA? You go and get the proper instruction and come back. We'll try to help you.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 53 from supplementary list. We have filed two separate affidavit, additional affidavit, my lord. Both of these affidavits may come with the record matter. And fix the matter after BU.
After BU. Learned Counsel, Mr. A. Ahmed,
My lord.
has prayed for adjournment, has submitted that an additional affidavit has been,
Two separate affidavits.
separate additional affidavit has been filed. And has also paid for adjournment, receipt to place the affidavits along with the record. List the matter on 23rd April.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, CD not received, lordship.
Serious call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on. Maybe there may be some type of error.
Interim order is there.
Etu motion bhul ke aise niki sasun. Item number 3 to. CDS call for is not received. Huh? Have you received a report? Report as call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in, you are on interim.
Yes, Lord.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Much obliged.
Lordship, that IA criminal was regarding one bail application.
Bail application.
Yes, Lordship.
Application, error, you have granted bail? Okay, you get the instruction. We'll help you, you get the instruction, whether he was granted bail or not. You get the instruction
No,
from your
ma'am.
senior. Are you sure he was not granted bail?
Yes, ma'am.
He was not, then what type of application you have filed? For correction of what?
Name and address of the applicant.
Name and address of bail?
Yes, Lordship.
For bail relating to which sections? Theft case, murder case or theft case or NDPS, POSCO,
Murder case,
murder case?
302.
How many days he's behind bars?
Exactly not aware about it.
You get the instructions. You just ask how many days he's behind bars, that is sufficient. Okay? You ask. I'll help you out.
May I plead your lordship. Your lordship, the present bail application is under section 483, your lordship. Your lordship, in connection with the same FIR, a co-accused already filed one anticipatory bail application, and the case diary has already dated to be produced on 24/4/2025. Therefore, kindly this application may also be listed on 24/4/2025 for the sake of
Call
proper.
for the CD along with the injury
Identification.
report, list the matter on 24/4.
Kindly oblige.
Item 4. Item 4. Item 4.
Lordship may be taken after some time.
Okay. Item 5.
482 application, madam. FIR at page number 7, madam. Type of madam. Allegation is under section 69 of the BNS, madam. For having physical relationship with a promise to marry, madam.
You are Babu Biswas.
No, my lord, he is the owner of the truck, my lord.
No, my lord. So it's long, my lord. My lord, main, according to the statement of the prime accused, my lord, two Baul Biswas and Hardani Siddhas. After that, my lord, four persons were arrested. Out of 4 persons, my lord, 3 persons already granted bail. Except me, my lord. My lord, owner of the truck, my lord, there's a Dilip Kumar Saha, my lord. It is clearly mentioned, my lord. RC, I have annexed, my lord. Dilip Kumar Saha is the owner. I am just partner of the 3 co-accused, my lord. Already they have released bail, my lord. Out of 4 persons, 3 already granted bail, my lord.
Owner of truck is Dilip Kumar Saha.
Yes, ma'am. Neither owner nor driver nor any, my lord, involved in this case. Even I am not FIR name accused, my lord. Just according to the
What
statement
is
of the
the
private,
contraband?
my lord.
What is the contraband?
What is 76, my lord? 76 kg.
76 kilo of ganja.
Ganja, man. Recover from the prime accused, my lord, that is Babul Biswas and Haradhan Siddhas. And we have to further, my lord, 28 March of 2023. But main accused, my lord, was arrested 26 March, my lord. After 2 days, my lord, we have arrested, my lord.
I'll go through everything and then I'll pass an order, not now. I'll pass an order later. I'll go through everything.
My lord, kindly consider, my lord, length of detention, my lord. More than 2 years, my lord.
That is why I want to go
Yes,
through
ma'am.
everything.
More than 2 years, my lord, behind the bar without.
It is not because I want to keep him behind bars, but I want to consider your submissions.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to go through everything. Yes, recorded.
Oblige, ma'am.
Dispose of, my lord. Dispose of.
No. I'll have to read all this, everything I'll have to read because he is given a submission. It was not in his conscious position. And then he is asking for ground on parity also. I'll have to read everything.
May I please, lordship?
Yes.
My lord, we have paid for transit anticipatory bail, lordship. My lord, FIR is lodged in Siliguri Cybercrime Police Station, lordship. And I was sent a notice under 35(3). Notice was received by another person. I was not provided in proper time, therefore I could not appear, lordship.
Under what?
Lordship, may kindly
What
see
kind of transit? What is the section?
section,
Under
lordship,
which you are booked?
319 subsection 2, 318 subsection 4, 61 subsection 2, and 111, lordship. These are related to, lordship.
Conspiracy, cheating,
Yes,
Misappropriation.
yes, lordship, misappropriation, a fraud transaction, lordship, illegal.
Okay, where is the FIR?
FIR, lordship, may kindly find at page 11, lordship. It's a long FIR, lordship, relevant portion, page 12,
Please read the FIR.
lordship. With due respect and humble submission that I so and so Darjeeling would like to inform you that since 1 month ago, I had searched in Facebook about the share trading app where I found two apps, Yes Security apps and Aditya Birla apps. Thereafter, I had inquired details about the apps. They are the stockbroker. They send SEBI registration number so and so. Yes Security and Aditya Birla. They sent link to my WhatsApp number for registration, and I had entered my Aadhaar card number so and so, PAN number so and so in, and my bank details, saving accounts number so and so, SBI, and another bank account number so and so, SBI. After that, for verification, they made WhatsApp video calls. After verification complete and registration complete, they allow me to their WhatsApp group where I saw lots of people involved in share trade transaction through these apps. So automatically grow my interest and share trading through these apps. The procedure of sending money that I am sending message to their customer care. Then customer care send a payment link of various company. I transferred money through their link through YONO transaction, UPI transaction and other method. After that, when I log in their apps, they directly entered to their apps where I found lots of share are in profit. There is a service portal in these apps where I withdrawn my profit. Previously, they sent profit to my account number. They sent rupees 10,100 to my account number from Aditya Birla and rupees 80,000 also withdrawn from Yes Security apps. In this way, they made me trust on them. I had invested regularly where I found my profitability through the share in these apps. In this way, I had invested rupees 10,26,143 in Aditya Birla share trading and rupees 4,75,000 invested in Yes Security apps from my two account number. I had tried to withdraw my cash and profitability on letter from 10/1/2025, but they told me to send commission at first. Total profitability with my invested amount were shown rupees 4,74,328 and 69,41,370 74 lakhs 15,698 rupees. I told them to deduct the commission and rest of the amount helped me to withdraw. But they denied. They told me first.
Okay, he was not giving his profit.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, transit bill can be granted, I think. How many days you want transit?
Lordship, 4 weeks, lordship, for 4 weeks.
No. 4 weeks. This
have
is
to-
Darjeeling, no, not 4 weeks.
Siliguri, lordship.
No, not 4 weeks, huh?
Vacation is also ahead, lordship. Therefore,
What vacation?
our vacation is before the.
Our vacation, they are not having any vacation.
That's true, lordship.
You want to appear before which court?
Before the jurisdictional. Lordship,
You belong to which app? Yes, trading app or to that?
No, I belong to none of them, lordship. The document was taken by one of my cousin, assuring me to give job in a company, lordship, I have stated. But that person misused my document, lordship. I have stated categorically, lordship. Even I
Then
don't,
why he has misused your document?
yes, lordship, that person misused my
Where is,
document.
where is your ground?
Yes, lordship, I have stated, lordship. Paragraph 6, lordship. I am just 9 pass. Thereafter, I have dropped out from school, lordship. I don't know all these things, trading and all this. Lordship. No, the first thing.
Okay, then 2 weeks.
Kindly Lordship with 3 weeks. Lordship's order is also here. Earlier, your Lordship was pleased to.
I
ask-
gave 4 weeks.
No, I'm not on that.
I have given only 15 days.
And then-
As so far I remember,
Yes, Lordship.
in so many cases, I have given only 15 days transit bail,
Lordship.
not more than 15 days.
Kindly maybe make.
Let me see my order.
Your Lordship 16.
Where have I given 4 weeks?
That is Lordship. There is also a period not mentioned, Lordship. Period not mentioned.
Okay.
Granted
Three-
after only
three- 3 weeks.
Lordship 3 weeks.
Had learned counsel Mr. Emma Hussain for the petitioner Rafiqul Sahab, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for transit anticipatory bail, as he is willing to appear before the Siliguri Cybercrime PS and cooperate with the investigation.
Hello.
The petitioner is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Notice have been issued to him.
Yes, Lordship. Notice issued. I have.
35(3).
Yes, Lordship. I have an next Lordship.
Section 35(3) has been issued to him. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is not at all involved with any trading apps like Yes Bank trading app at what?
And Aditya Birla.
Aditya Birla trading app, full stop.
Yes, security
The allegation
trading. Lordship.
had Miss N. Das, Learned Addition PP Assam. The allegation against this is a case regarding fraudulent transaction through 2 trading apps, i.e. Yes Bank trading app and Aditya Birla trading app. The informant who earned according to documents has earned a profit of more than how much? 45 lakhs or how much?
Lordship, I have deposited informant deposited more than 10 lakhs. Lordship. More than 10 lakhs. Lordship.
And a profit was through the trading app was not allowed to withdraw his profit by the by the miscreants dealing with the aforementioned trading apps. Time and again, the informant has asked for withdrawal of his profit earned through investment, but time and again, he was asked to pay commission, and finally, the informant had to lodge the informant was impelled. The informant was impelled to lodge the FIR. I've considered the submissions at the bar. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is a school dropout and he has no idea and he is not aware,
Yes.
not aware of any kind of trading to such trading apps. His cousin Alamgir Bhuiya alias Bablu took his documents like voter ID, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and signed papers on 4/12/2025 with assurance to provide him a job at Satabari, Bamnigam, Boku, and thereafter his cousin misused these documents, and now the petitioner has been served with a notice to appear before the Siliguri PS. It appears that as the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the investigation, interim transit bail may be granted. The petitioner is directed to appear before the IO of Siliguri Cybercrime PS, no?
Yes, Lordship.
Within 3 weeks from today and cooperate with the investigation.
Deeply obliged.
And he is enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount and appear before the appear before the arresting authority.
Deep level.
In terms of the above observation, petition stands disposed of.
Time being item 8. My lord, the clearest bail application, my lord, petitioner before your lordship is a my lord, principal of a private higher secondary school. Lordship, kindly have a look, my lord, this, whether this kind of affair is necessary or maintainable. FIR, my lord, at page 12, my lord. Kindly, my lord, I may be allowed to show, my lord, another document before going to the FIR, my lord. This is small document, my lord, page 15. As per this notification, my lord, when it is found that mathematics subject question paper of higher secondary first year was, my lord, leaked.
Annexure 2?
Yes, my lord, annexure 2, page 15 was leaked, my lord. Immediately concerned authority already, my lord, cancelled the examination on 23/2025 itself, my lord. And this examination was in fact scheduled to be held on 21/3/2025 in the second half. Thereafter, my lord, the impugned FIR at page 12 came to be filed to the, my lord, Additional Director General of Police CID Assam. And as per this allegation is that, my lord, main allegation, my lord, part I beg to read out, my lord. In the above, my lord, it is stated that, my lord, our question paper was leaked, my lord, and found it is showing in the TV channel also. And the allegation part is that, my lord, last part, my lord, in the page 12, as per information received from the concerned inspector of school and principal of Lead College, below mentioned private institutions had broken the seal of the packets of the question papers of the subject mathematics before the scheduled date and time of examination. This act of the institutions is clear violation of the standard procedure. Here, my lord, 10 schools submitted, my lord, returned the question paper. They are supposed to return it, my lord, seal cover as it was received. But they sent back, my lord, my lord, it is broken packet, my lord. And this, my lord, petitioner school is, my lord, serial number 5, Hailakandi, Science, Senior Secondary School, my lord.
Yes. CD. You want the CD? Yes, sir.
Only, my lord, CD, my lord, in the meantime, my lord.
He is a teacher.
Principal, my lord.
Principal. Principal. What will he do? It is given to the, I think, all the invigilators. The other one who breaks the seal and all. He is responsible. Principal of this. You want a CD? Yes.
CD, my lord, in the meantime, my lord,
I think can be granted. Can be granted. Our learned counsel, Mr. A.M. Borguia, for the petitioner, Abdul Hassan Borguia, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as he is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. At Ms. N. Das Learned Edition P Assam. This case is relating to paper leakage of mathematics during the higher secondary first year examination scheduled to be held on 21/3/2025. The petitioner school is one of the school where the allegation wherein the seal was the seal of the mathematics paper was broken and the papers were taken out before the schedule.
Allegation is that, my lord, they returned question paper but with broken seal cover, my lord.
That is a
Yes.
same allegation, same thing. Broken liquid, yeah. But those unused questions were but those unused question papers had to be kept under seal.
Yes,
Being a teacher,
principal of
being
the
the principal of the Hailakandi Science Work School,
Hailakandi
Hailakandi Science Senior Secondary School, the petitioner is apprehending arrest. The petitioner is willing to cooperate with the, pardon me, send us later. The petitioner is willing to cooperate with the investigation. It appears that interim bail may be granted to the petitioner. All of the CD list the matter on. Meanwhile, in the interim and in the event of this arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with the suitable surety of like amount with the satisfaction of the arresting authority, under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation.
diploma.
May it please your lordship. My lord, PRS bill application, FR is at page 9. Quarrel between brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and the informant. My lord, they have stated due to misunderstanding for a flower tree, there was some quarrel. The main reason is this, my lord, the mother-in-law, my lord. She is a cancer patient who is after with me. The sections which were earlier, now 118, 117, 304. Earlier it was 324, 326, 322. And my lord, I take your lordship to one thing. The incident occurred on 30/11/24, and the FIR was registered at page 11. Your lordship will find on 7/12. 7/12. Your lordship at page 11, right hand side top. Date of time is 7/12, my lord. So they have filed, my lord, after such a long period, nearly after a week. And my lord, because they are all in a family, dispute will come down, my lord. So if your lordship can only allow, my lord, some interim protection, let the CD come, my
Oh, please read the FIR.
page 9. Most respectfully, begs to,
Why this is a translated copy? The police case number is not mentioned.
my lord, page 10.
Number is mentioned, huh?
Received WGD entry and received Patharkandi PS case.
Number is not mentioned.
My numbers are in the original, my lord, page 14.
Please
Your
read the
lordship.
original then.
Original, my lord, page 14.
Yes, please read this FIR.
My lord, in the original vernacular,
Yes.
বিনীত নিবেদন যে এই পড়ুয়া বিবৈধী জন প্রথমে আগার দেওর ও ছোট দেওর এর স্ত্রী বলে বটে বিগত 30/3/11/2024 তারিখে সফল মালার একটা সকাল 1:10 বাজে উপরোক্ত না 9:10 বাজে উপরোক্ত দুইজন নাম্বার বিবাদী লগের আমার ঝগড়া হয় এবং এই language is very difficult. On a misunderstanding of a flower, my lord, plot to be which has to be plotted in which place. ফুলের গাছটি পতন বাবার জন্য ব্যবস্থা করতে সময় ঠিক মাটি ওই উপলক্ষ 1 নম্বর বিবাদী অপর পিঠে such and such. They say it's a misunderstanding and the reason of fact is the mother-in-law, which with me, who will look after her, and she is a cancer, final, my last stage cancer patient. I have stated, my lord, your lordship will find in para 6, the real fact I have stated, my lord, and your lordship will find in even the real fact I have stated in para 3, my lord, page 4, last part.
Check the sections.
Sections, my lord, earlier it was 324, 326. And 322, voluntary causing hurt and grievous hurt. 118, voluntary causing grievous hurt.
One was forwarded.
My lord?
One was forwarded.
One was forwarded and she was given bail.
Who is she?
She was the wife of, she was the wife. She was given bail by the trial court. The wife of another brother.
As per the original, case number 1 assaulted me with Dow as a result I sustained fracture, injury on my left hand and also bone fracture on my right hand.
All in the family, if this small trifle matters can be settled by mediation, my lord, they can be done through this way. Otherwise, if he's behind the bar, my lord, everything will start up again. And the mother-in-law is with me, my lord. The whole issue is with that. And the FIR is lost after 7 to 8 days. I have stated, my lord, the matter was not that serious. That is why FIR was lost after so many days. Because in page 11, it is date and time, 7/12/24. At 11, it was registered. I pray that let the CD come, my lord.
Yes, yes, I'm just reading.
My lord.
Our learned counsel, Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, for the petitioner, Abdul Sahid, no?
My lord.
Abdul Sahid.
My lord.
Abdul Sahid, alias Abdul Sahid, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so section. The heard Miss and Das learned additional PP assault. The allegation against the petitioner is that he, along with his wife, she's his wife, no?
Not,
No,
not
no,
my other brother's wife.
Along with his, along with the co-accused sister-in-law,
Sister-in-law.
along with his sister-in-law, assaulted the victim, causing grave injuries on her person. It is further submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the accused number 2 has already been granted bail by the trial court.
My lord.
The petitioner is also willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. It is further submitted that the incident occurred on 30/11/2024, but the FIR was lodged on 2/12/2024, which clearly reflects that the incident was not of a serious nature. It appears that interim bail may be granted to the petitioner. Call for the CD list the matter on. In the interim and in the event of his arrest, the petition shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Under the condition that the petition shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. The petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation, and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand automatically cancelled.
But in place of 7 days, can it be 10 days? My lord? It has
10 days, yes,
10.
10 days.
10. Okay.
Please, Your Lordship. This is the second bail application before Your Lordship. Earlier, Your Lordship was rejected the bail application. Direction was given to the learned court below for speedy trial. Lordship. Matter released to the NDPS Act. Lordship. Petitioner was arrested on the basis of a confession statement from the co-accused. Lordship. Nothing has been recovered from him. And he was only 24 years old boy. Lordship. In the earlier occasion, Lordship, I have relied on a Baihan Kumar judgment, Lordship. No?
Let them file an additional affidavit. On the
Notice
ground
is-
of arrest, let them file an additional affidavit, Lordship.
Notice is available in the record, Lordship. I have seen, nothing has been given
Lordship, they have to file.
You want to rely on Vihan Kumar?
behind.
Yes, Lordship.
If you want to rely on Vihan Kumar, then you can file an additional.
Yes, Lordship.
And they'll file an answer, submit an answer.
Lordship.
Then it will come up after the vacation,
22 maybe.
22 years. Learned counsel for petitioner has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on 22.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, it's a application for the pre-arrest bail, my lord. Lordship, my lord, there's a free fight between the two groups of the vegetable vendors, my lord, and the cases and the counter cases also. Probably, my lord, there's no grievous injuries to that effect as far as my information is concerned, my lord, though they have implicated. My lord, page 10 is the FIR. There are 13% altogether in the FIR. I am only appearing for the one of the petitioner, my lord, Mustaq Ali, my lord. Out of the 10, my lord. Lordship, kindly, page 11 is the portion, my lord. I respectfully stated that we are the vegetable vendors of Howli Bazaar since 2020. On 29/3/25, around 5:30 p.m., accused number 1 came out in front of our vegetable vendor in a scooty and parked in front of our shop. Soon after the parking, I asked both the accused to move the scooty front shop, and then the accused one and two engaged in the quarrel. Sit and asked to went away. After some time, around 6 p.m., both the accused again came with some unknown person and entered into my shop with a bamboo stick, iron rod with their hand, and they scolded us and threatened us to kill it with that intention to attack me and brothers and so and so. Got serious injuries. Usman Ali right hand was broken. Then the accused person then also did not stop, continuously destroyed our shop, took 2-3 lakh of rupees away. And later some shop owner, Howli Market, took us to the CC Howli for the seriousness of the so and so. And there is a counter FIR also for the same incident, my lord, page 16, my lord.
31-3.
On 31/3, my lord. And as far as my lord, my information, my lord, the page 25 is the medical report of the injured person. Only, my lord, some medicine has been prescribed, nothing more than that, my lord.
Yes. Can I
For the CD along with injury.
CD along with injury?
Lordship. This
In the meantime, my lord, I may be protected, my lord.
What is his name?
Mustaq Ali.
No, this injured person.
Injured person is Mustafizur Rahman.
Is the accused, I think. Mustafizur Rahman.
Saiful Islam Lukman Ali. got
Patient
serious
name,
injuries.
page 25 is the accused, patient name.
Mustafizur Rahman, my lord. The accused. He has also got injury, my lord.
Counter FIR was lost by any accused.
Yes.
Which one?
Page accused uncle has lost the FIR, my lord. The page 16.
Uncle of Mustafizur.
Uncle of Mustafizur.
Uncle of 3 Aurangzeb.
Uncle of
Aurangzeb. Request number 3.
Page 14, my lord. Aurangzeb, his uncle has filed his FIR, my lord.
Aurangzeb's uncle.
for this.
Accused number 3, my lord.
This has been registered as Howley PS case number 40
Yes, my lord. 40, my lord.
on the next day, no? This is Howley PS case number.
One is 39, my lord, where we are seeking, my lord, bail, and
I think can be
And
granted.
40.
What do you say?
40 is the
What can be granted, I think. Third learned senior advocate, Mr. M. Bora, assisted by learned counsel, Mr. J.S. Ahmed, for the petitioner, Mustafizur Rahman, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2024 prayer for pre-arrest bail as he is apprehending arrest in connection to incidents of PS case. The petitioner is apprehending arrest as a quarrel broke out between two groups relating to parking of scooter in front of a shop. Another counter FIR has been lodged by the uncle of accused number 3 against the informant and his informant and his and the other miscreants. Informant and his friends. The petitioner is willing to, it is submitted that the petitioner has also sustained injuries and annexure 3 of the petition, annexure C of the petition is the advice slip of the petitioner. It appears that interim bail may be granted to the petitioner called for the city list the matter on. In the interim and in the event of arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail on fees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged and maintain the peace. Number 3, the petitioner shall appear before IO 1 week colony, refrain from such activities.
obligation.
Or breach of any of the bill conditions may not be stand over the legal against.
Service report is awaited and scan copy also not received.
Well, can I pray for immediately after review vacation because it
Sure.
is from my lord,
Sure.
my lord,
Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited.
my lord.
This the matter on. Why this case has come up before me? POSCO case. Should it
No, my
come up
lord,
before?
there are 2 accused persons. Lordship has granted bail to the other one. That is my lord. Scan copy is also required, my lord.
Meanwhile, call for the scan copies of the trial asset. Meanwhile, call for the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD.
My lord.
Arena scan, no?
Item 14. Oblige, my lord.
May I please? My lord, this is regular bail application, my lord. I am behind the bar since 56 days, my lord.
CD? Sir, case
My lord.
under which section?
FIR is at page number 11. May I read, my lord? 11.
It depends which. You will have to put up, what's under which section I am asking because.
My lord, doubt.
I a criminal.
Yes, yes.
The date of arrest was on 4th of March. If possible by Monday.
Monday?
Lordship, the next date of BA is fixed on 23/4.
Monday is a holiday. First week, first day, 21st April.
21st April. Highly obliged.
36, we have not received the case diary, madam. I will have sent a notification, madam. He has paid for some more time to produce the case diary.
Are you on interim day? CDS call for is not received, we should remind them is the matter on. Are you on interim day?
No.
No. 23rd.
Item 38.
May I please, your lordship?
Mm.
Lordship, here the petitioner is on interim lordship. TD was called for lordship.
So in this case, my lord, it requires some time, my lord, period of interim, my lord, to go to the case there. We received the case there.
How many days?
After vacation,
Lordship.
It's relating to what offense?
my lord.
Under 120B, 420, 468 and 471 lordship.
All right. CD is received, learned additional PP, Mr. R.J. Borwa has submitted that the CD is voluminous and sometimes is required to go through the CD, list the matter on 22nd. CD to be retained till then.
Interim may be executed.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Oblige, your lordship.
May it please, lordship. In this case, lordship, this is transited matter, lordship, and LCR of court, lordship.
We have the LCR.
Your lordship, 326 is here.
Mm.
So, here. You will put it here.
Mm.
Yes. Moreover, I have flag marked, in the city, lordship, two of the witnesses implicated.
I'll just go through the evidence, huh?
Moreover, his name is in the FIR. But in this FIR, lordship, in
I'll
total.
just go through the evidence.
In total, lordship, 12 accused.
Let me see the type of injury. No, no. In what manner he has dealt? Was it brutal act? Just let me check. PW1, no? They have been examined. Oh, witnesses have not been examined. Only.
That lordship, valid standard lordship. I have stated on the basis of the CD lordship. But in this case, lordship, total number of accused lordship, 12 person lordship. And in the
You are for interim anticipatory bail of which one?
Ali Hussain lordship, accused number,
Just let me check. Just let me.
accused number 8 lordship. This is abscond lordship. There is 12 number of accused person and the charge sheet is submitted against the 6 person, including the petitioner lordship. And during the investigation, still lordship, the
Just a moment. Just. You're for Ali Hussain.
Ali Hussain.
He's been implicated. He's the main culprit. She's a 326.
326.
Magistrate tribal. Okay, I'll pass an order. You approach the magistrate. Bail will be granted.
I think 326 is non-bailable lordship. If he will appear, that every possibility to arrest him.
No, won't arrest.
Lordship, the other accused person is appearing lordship and the
Where is the FIR?
FIR is case 11 lordship, type 2 lordship.
Hmm?
Case 11. Actually, lordship, the informant and the present accused lordship are the same family's lordship. And there is a land dispute between the informant side and the petitioner side. The accused persons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Just a moment.
6.
Just a minute. laceration over the left frontal side, frontal region, 3 into 0.1 into 1 centimeter. Not very deep. Stitch over the injury and dressing done. Yeah, head injury. দিনৰ পৰা মাটি সীমা লৈ কাজিয়া চলি আছিলে accused has stated ৰিয়াজুল ঘটনাত আমি জড়িত নাছিলো হাসিদুল হতে লাঠি লৈছিলে What is his name?
Ali Hussain.
Oh, why can I grant you, could I grant you bail when you hit somebody with a rod and then you have not cooperated with the investigation, cause head injuries? You appear before the CJ trial court. Charges has been submitted under
Swing at Kundal.
tribal case offense. 143, 120B, 447, 325, 326. So I think you can appear with that message to grant you bail, or should you withdraw the petition?
I shall appear before the trial court, Lordship, and the Lordship give some protection, Lordship. And I'm ready to face the trial, Lordship. Lordship, in the case, Lordship, there is land dispute. It is admitted in the FIR, Lordship, and there is 12 number of accused person, Lordship. And the charge sheet is submitted against the only 6 persons.
Led the entire team and then attacked relentlessly. So injuries on 3%, head injury on 1 woman also.
Lordship, as per my instruction, Lordship, the injuries are simple injury, Lordship.
Maybe simple injuries, but charge sheet has been submitted under section 326, 325. Because everything is given in this scan copies. I don't know that injury got hidden. Nature of injury got hidden. So I cannot say, but charge sheet has been submitted under section, first class tribal section 325. The case is submitted in CS under section 143, 120B, 447, 325, 326. So injuries, I don't know. There are pictures of stitches on head, and then I have mentioned the length and breadth and of the injury. So it's quite big. Stitches on head also. With one person, he's received sharp cut weapon injury on his head. Woman on blunt injury on her head. So you appear before the IU.
And this is
Oh, sorry, before the magistrate.
is ready to appear the trial lordship
First class trial, will you appear? Otherwise, you withdraw,
to give some protection.
surrender. You withdraw and surrender. One person, any one of them would have died. You withdraw and surrender. You withdraw, or I will allow. I will give a direction for you to appear, and then court will consider the bail in accordance with law.
Law.
Okay. All right. Our learned counsel, Mr.
Objection.
uh, MZ sir, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. MZ sir. The petitioner Ali Hussain has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail, as is apprehending arrest in connection with PRC case number 292 of 2024 arising out of so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Please submit that. Charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner. The petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. It is further submitted that the victims have sustained simple injuries and the petitioner is not complicit. But Mr. K.K. Das, learned additional PP Assam. The learned additional PP has raised objection against the prayer for pre-arrest bail as the petitioner has not cooperated with the investigation. The petitioner is shown as absconder in the charge sheet. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. This is a case trial by the first class magistrate. The petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. The petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court, stroke jurisdictional magistrate, and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Some protection.
41.
If possible, some
No
protection.
reply at this juncture. Okay.
Blessed.
We have received the case diary, madam.
May it please your lordship. It's an application under 482 BNSS, your lordship. I am praying for 6 accused person, your lordship. FIR is in page 20 to 21, your lordship. May I read?
Yes.
On 2/11/2024, at around 7:28 p.m., I received a phone call from Arun Burman, a resident of Kolongpar, reporting that illegal gambling was taking place in the Kolongpar Switchgate area. Acting on this information, OC Sonapur directed me, SI Abdul Qadir Sheikh, to conduct an inquiry. Accordingly, I, along with PA staff, proceeded to Kolongpar. Upon our arrival at Kolongpar Switchgate, at approximately 8:20 p.m., we observed illegal gambling activities. However, as soon as the gamblers noticed us, they fled. While my staff and I were in the process of collecting gambling dice and other materials, all this following gamblers and dice owner, Pawan Mandal, Kaman Mandal, and so many persons' names are mentioned in the FIR. Basically, what happened, your lordship, gambling was taking place at that particular area, and when police occurred at that place of occurrence, the large number of mob, around 150 people, attacked the police personnel, but it is not clear who attacked, actually who were those persons.
Yes.
My lord, we have received the case diary, my lord. What happened, my lord? The gambling was going on in the, my lord, vicinity of the Sonapur area, my lord. Then, my lord, getting their information, my lord, Pujit arrived at the spot, my lord. Then, initially, my lord, they've all fled away, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, around, my lord, 30, 40 people, my lord, they attacked the, my lord, police person, my lord. They have also broke the vehicle and injured one police person, my lord. Now, from the case diary, my lord, the injury report is not received, my lord. I have also inquired from the police station, my lord. It is not ready, my lord. And regarding, my lord, the investigation, my lord, they have said, my lord, these are the persons who are present, my lord. And these are the persons, my lord, they have also named some few persons, my lord, who have attacked the, my lord, police. But there is no specific, my lord, who attacked, my lord. So for this purpose, my lord, lordship may kindly peruse, my lord, this is the note of the investigating officer, my lord. I have seen, my lord, there are 6 accused persons, my lord. There are two Nipen, there are Nipen Sarkar is, Nipen is there, my lord. Only my lord named his name mentioned as a Nipen, my lord. But whether he is Sarkar or his surname is not mentioned, my lord. So, my lord, that my lord may be Perus.
One person in sustained injuries on his head, no?
His
Not
name, my lord, he is a police person, my lord. Probably, my lord, it is mentioned in the FIR, my lord. Jabbor Ali, my lord. And because, my lord, the police personnel, my lord, they have also, my lord, cited as a witness, my lord, because they were the eyewitness, but they have not recognized the person by name, my lord. That is why, my lord, they have not named specifically, my lord, who are the person, my lord, attacked, my lord. Involved in the attack. But, my lord, the other witnesses, my lord, other accused persons, my lord, some of the accused persons arrested, they have implicated, my lord, few of the, my lord, present petitioner, my lord. My lord, for example, my lord, that three accused petitioner number 3, 5, and 6, my lord, they have implicated. They were also present, my lord. But whether they have attacked the police personnel or not, that is not specific, my lord.
Here only one person, Nipen is implicated.
Nipen is about whether he is Nipen Mondol or Nipen Sarkar, my lord, because Nipen Mondol is arrested, my lord. From the case diary, I have perused the case diary, my lord. Nipen Mondol is arrested. But whether this person is that Nipen or not, my lord, that is.
They have attacked the police, it's in the video.
Yes, my lord.
But here, these persons are not in the video, but co-accused are stated.
Quite was stated, my lord, that the few of the my lord, present petitioner, my lord, they are also involved, my lord. Whether, my lord, they have attacked or not, that is not specific, my lord.
Lordship, actually, they are co-villagers of that particular area only. When the mob attacked, they were also present at that particular area, but they did not committed the crime, Your Lordship. And moreover, Your Lordship, three of
Just
the
a moment.
accused. Yes.
Nobody is supposed to attack the police. Government upon.
Driver was dragged out from the vehicle, my lord. Then he was beaten up, my lord.
Ramjan is implicated. This is 5, no?
Ranjan Bormon is 5, my lord.
Okay, can be granted, I think.
My humble time is about to let them appear, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, the injury report may be called for, my lord. Let there be some more investigation, my lord. That is why.
Lordship, this is an FIR of November, your lordship.
I think they will appear.
My lord, then my objection may be
Yes,
recorded, my
yes,
lord.
objection. Our learned counsel Miss
J Das, your lordship.
J Das for the petitioners, Southern Assam, who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Third, Mr. R.J. Burwa, learned additional PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioners is that they were involved in attacking the police when the police tried to prevent illegal gambling and tried to take away the dice uh, from the place of occurrence. The learned addition PP has submitted that Nalayan. I have scrutinized the case diary. Investigation has substantially progressed. I have considered the submission that the petitioners are willing to cooperate with the investigation. It appears that the petitioner may be enlarged on pre-arrest bail, as they are willing to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon them. Considering all aspects, the petitioners Namgita Likiriba are enlarged on in the event of the petitioners, they shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Number two, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged, and the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand cancelled. Objection लिखिला नहीं है. Learned additional PP has raised serious objection. Send back the CD.
Safely obliged.
May I please your lordship, 482 application lordship. FI is a phase 10. He's on interim bail, I think. Yes, lordship.
My lord, he was on interim, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, investigation completed and charges submitted, my lord.
Third, Miss B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. R.J. Borwa, learned additional PP Assam. Post of the learned additional PP has submitted a charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
CS number 8/2025, dated 30/3/2025.
The petitioner is directed to appeal for a jurisdictional court stroke Eleka magistrate within 15 days and apply for bail which will be processed by the court in accordance with. Meanwhile, no coercive action to be taken till then.
Lordship, after the CD is required, Lordship, after the CD not received, I have received the CD, but injury report is
Malada.
not available, Lordship.
It is a first time, second time it has been moved. First again, the loss of call for the city come. The question now after the city is not today, my
Is the
lord.
injury relating to?
And I am not getting an interim, my lord. Let the after the city call it meantime I will protect it, my lord.
Injury related to what?
No injury, nothing, my lord. It also can say bail order. I'll reject it, my lord.
Incriminating materials against him, Lordship.
No injury report, nothing, my lord. And the victim girl also was not medically examined, but no opinion has been given by the doctor. If you also kindly see the bail order already rejected, page 25, my lord.
One medical legal report is there from the Department of Surgery.
Yes, no
Where
opinion is
patient
there.
was referred for further medical surgery. Let shorted, Lordship.
Page 25 will also kindly see order, bail order. All the other persons were allowed to go on bail who are allegedly caused the injuries. They are allowed to go on bail. I am the person, only allegation is that I hold the wife of the informant, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is page 10, my lord. Next one. 2 to 6, they were allowed to go on bail.
Oh, Sirajul Hoque, huh?
Sirajul Hoque.
Lordship, kindly favors the item.
And this case is registered case number 19 2005. Our FIR laws as case number 16, my lord. Same day occurrence has been taken. They attacked us, my lord. Second FIR lawsuit kindly see page.
Just a minute, just.
Sirajul Haq.
This case, my lord, only page case number 19, their affair. In my affair, my lord, it was page 16, annex 2. Who lost the affair, my lord? Alamin Hawk is accused number 2 in our affair, my lord. Page 16, my lord. This is the actual facts, my lord.
This FIR has been registered as.
Yes, Howell case number 16 of the total 25. Under 1893, 3292, 1172, 118, public, 310, 1 BNS. And this is the real facts, my lord. To save them, they later on they are asked to the police station, they lost their affair to counter our affair, my lord. This is the only fact. And all the persons' name here were allowed to go on bail by the court below, except the petitioner. There is no such injury as revealed in the order passed by the landed district judge.
Same day, no?
Same day, madam. They disturbing my daughter, Sabina Akhtar. And this is the
Okay, then if some